Hello all. Just providing a brief overview regarding what you have up this week. So your online pre-recorded lectures for this week are in the role of research and development in the food industry and what are functional foods. So you are learning about two aspects as part of your online lectures this week. Then your tutorials are dedicated to understanding how do you conduct sensory testing, sensory analysis. Very, very important, guys, for your assignment. So please make sure you attend your tutorials. All right. And what are we going to do in the kitchen? So this week in the kitchen, we are going to understand how are you going to collect your data for week 5. So, in week 5, you have to collect sensory testing data. And this data is very important because you will be using this data for your assignment. So you will be learning how to collect this data in week 2, and then you can use the same practice, same approach, and apply it in week 5 when you collect your own data on your novel food product. Okay. So make sure that you attend your kitchen labs this week. And for your work integrated learning, the Diplog doc, all these students who are enrolled in Bachelor's of Nutrition and Dietetics, you do have to complete your Diplog docs, and your first assessment is due this week. And as you know, Diplog docs, this is convened by other department, other faculty, and they will be opening your assignment a few days before it is due. Okay, so that is their practice because it is not in our control and regulation. So there is little that I can do about opening the assignments well beforehand. All right, so this is undertaken by some other department. So guys, on the second note, I have finalized all of your groups. So when I go to people and when I go to groups, all of your groups are now finalized. So when we look at the morning kitchen lab, as you can see, all the groups are finalized. There were a handful of students who had not allocated themselves to any of the groups. So I had handpicked them, and then I had allocated them to respective groups wherever I could see availability. All right, so all of your groups are finalized. The exception is for one of the groups, which is in the afternoon lab. I have individually emailed these students who are affected by this because I'm still awaiting their response. So I would strongly encourage these students who are affected by this to respond and let me know about your decision. And then I can allocate you accordingly and try to meet your preferences as well. Okay, so that's the only exception. One group is yet to be finalized, but all other groups are finalized. So you can start working and start thinking about your novel product that you're going to develop. Okay, so just coming back to the home page. So just a summary, this is what you will be doing in week 2. You have online pre-recorded lectures, and your tutorials and your kitchen labs are very, very closely related to your assignment, and you have your Diplog docs assignment due this week as well. All right, so I'll be seeing a lot of you on Tuesday and almost all of you on Friday. I hope you can make it for the labs. And that's it from my end team. And yes, I'll see all of you very soon. Thank you for your time.